Well, thanks everyone for turning up today, and thanks Philip for taking the time out of your busy schedule to be here today too. It's a real honour. As you probably aware, the reason we're here is to present the Garvan Institute of Medical Research, the Hitachi Data Systems Corporation Health and Life Sciences Innovation Award. It's a bit of a mouthful. This award is an Asia Pacific award. Okay, so it's not local in Australia. So you're up against some contenders right around Asia Pacific. So we're very proud to be able to give this to you in Australia today. Before I present the award, I do just want to take a couple of moments and reflect on the great work that organisations like yourselves do around the globe. It's very exciting what you're involved in, and quite humbling as well. With the innovation that you do, not just on the medical research, but also around technology. Certainly the life sciences community has quite a profound impact on people's lives around the globe. If we look back over the last 100 years, well-known advances such as the eradication of smallpox or the invention of penicillin, and more recently around mapping human genome as well. Quite incredible feats of medical research. With the advent on our side of things like high-performance computing, big data analysis, mobility, we hope to play a small part in assisting you along that road in supporting your research scientists. It's also quite humbling to know, the Garvan Institute, where you're at the forefront of many areas such as Parkinson's and diabetes and of course cancer. It's very humbling to know that we have a small piece of technology here supporting your research scientists as you go about that work. And from a personal perspective, those three areas have personally impacted my family over the last few years as well. So again, very proud and very humbling to know that we can support you in your research. The reason for this award, of course, is around innovation, and you've been very innovative on the medical side and very innovative in taking our technology as well. Most recently, we're looking to extend the relationship and extend that technology out to mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones as well. I know you're going through trialing some of that at the moment. So again, you're one of our first customers in the world to take that technology and deploy that. So again, we thank you for your trust around that as well. So with that, I'd really like to close off by thanking you personally and from the company, and I'd like to present Hitachi Data Systems Healthcare and Life Sciences Innovation Award to the Garvan Institute of Medical Research. Thanks very much. Let me just put this down for 1 minute, and then we can take photos. There are a couple of names that I do want to thank, and they're Ajay Sharma, George Constantinescu, John Spale, who I believe is away today, Robert L. Young, Fadi Ilalai, and Iram Alai for their tireless support and dedication to working with us and deploying the technology. And also we want to thank and recognise Dr. Warren Kaplans for his ingenuity, vision and leadership and putting the Garvan Institute at the forefront of medical research around the globe. So again, I really thank all of you here at Garvan for making this a success, and I really hope you have all the very best of success in the years to come as well. Thanks very much.
Smile.
Work it.
All right. Okay, could you look at me, please?
So many faces are so familiar to all of us that people like Luke are already part of the Garvan family. If I were to talk a little bit about what Garvan is, and if we look out behind me at this beautiful building and the cancer centre next door, an awful lot of what we at Garvan are about is really using first-rate science in order to change the practice of medicine. And hopefully that in turn will have impact on the health of Australians and then to people further afield. And so in the last few years, the coming of large data generating technologies, specifically next generation genome sequencing, has really provided us with unprecedented insights into how we understand disease, not only cancer, but many diseases, and given us enormous opportunities and possibilities of how we can begin impacting on the health of Australians. Of course, embracing these kind of technologies comes with many consequences. One of these consequences has been that we have now a hyper-exponential growth in our computation and storage needs. And so we realized very early on that in order for Garvan to be able to succeed in this kind of space, we would need a real next generation IT group that would be able to take us and help us realize our aspirations. And so George, today, for you and the rest of the operations group and the rest of all of IT, in a process that was started with Jim McBride, your predecessor, together with Ajaya's fabulous work, and together with John Spale in the meticulousness of what goes on in choosing a system and working with a system and analyzing a system and going ahead. Today we're really very, very proud of all of you, and that you have achieved so much so that we can turn around to you as the best IT group in any medical research institute in this country and say, you are helping us achieve what it is that we plan to do. To our friends from Hitachi, we spend a lot of money with you. But at the same time, we're really grateful for the partnership, for the relationship that has been built over time. We value your trust in us, your advice, and your guidance in terms of decisions we make. And we're very, very grateful to you for the award. And so to all of you, thank you very, very much for today.